welcome to my crib. Hey, you gonna show him around?
Alrighty, so going into his room, this is how it looks. Then behind the door, you see his poster of his planets and his broom set. And then moving right along, you see all of his little bikes and things on wheels, his gas station, and then you see his rug that we got from IKEA that has little street cars and play cars on that. And that ottoman, I have his blocks. You see all his cool educational posters. And then I have his name puzzle. I love spelling his name out to him so he will eventually know how to spell his name. Then these are some affirmations. I think it's very important to just affirm him and just have him, just to help him build his confidence at a very young age. We read those almost every day. And then these are his little rugs, his ABC rug, and then that's his Jurassic Park rug. Because it's more of like a jungle theme over in this section of the room, so I figured the Jurassic Park would go with the flow. His basketball court. Then on the back wall there, I just used washi tape, taped it on the wall. I pretty much freestyled it. And then those are balloons from his birthday party that we didn't want to get rid of yet, so I just put them up on the wall until they run out of air. And then those are pictures of him when he was just a little baby. He doesn't sleep in his crib, so don't mention that balloon that's in there. It's just in there. Then this is the real toy area. This is the play area over here. So right under this Panda, I usually put the Panda right on top so he won't have all the toys out at once. Kind of limits him to what toys he can get out, and then sometimes I'll pull that bin out and say, hey, you can get some toys out of there, or I'll put toys in the back of his truck and he can play with those for the day. Those are his trucks. He can easily just go and get those trucks whenever he wants to, and then it's easy for him to put back, and I teach him how to put his toys back. Those are his books that he has easy access to. He always brings me books and asks me to read to him, so it's just pretty easy for him to get to everything that he has, and sometimes he does pull the Panda down. This is his little learning corner with the alphabet and the numbers. He knows exactly where the alphabet is in his room, and he loves when we sing it, and he claps afterwards. And then this is his music center, where we drop some cool beats. His drum, his guitars. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really love his room, and I hope I granted some inspiration. Thank you for watching.